Ang ginawa niya, kinain ni Eve. Tapos si Eve, ginising si Adam, siguro katatapos lang, kumain ka rin. So kinain ni Adam. Then malice was born. Who is the stupid God? Stupido talaga itong kung ganun. You created something perfect, and then you think of an event that would tempt and destroy the quality of your work. How can you rationalize a God? Maniwala? Oh, ikaw, maniwala ka? Kaya nga sabi ko siya, maniwala niyang. No. So tayo ngayon, all of us are born with an original sin. Ang original sin, ano man yan? Was it the first kiss? O what was the sin? Bakit original? Nasa womb ka pa, may kasalanan ka na. Tsak-tsak wala yung ng nanay pati tatay mo, wala ka bang kasali? Tapos ngayon may original sin ka. Panginang klase. Anong klaseng reliyon yan? Yan ang hindi ko matanggap.